In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS in Brave browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where the option lives, what it does, and how to pick a provider that fits your needs, all without getting lost in menus. First, open Brave browser on your device. We're going straight into the built-in settings, so there's nothing extra to download or install. Once Brave is open, head to the top right corner and click the icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's the main menu for Brave. From there, click on Settings. This is where Brave keeps all your preferences, including privacy controls. Inside Settings, look on the left side and select Privacy and Security. Brave puts all security-related options together so you can manage them in one place. Next, click on Security. This page controls features that protect your browsing, and it's where we'll switch the DNS setting. Now, find the option labeled Use Secure DNS. This feature upgrades your DNS lookup so that the browser uses an encrypted connection to find websites, rather than sending those requests in plain text. That means your queries are harder for third parties on the network to see or tamper with, and in many cases it can improve reliability and speed. Turn it on by clicking the toggle button. When it's off, Brave relies on your system's default DNS. When it's on, Brave can route your lookups through a secure provider. Once the toggle is enabled, you'll see the option to choose a DNS provider. Click to select DNS provider. Brave offers a list of popular choices that support secure DNS, like services known for strong privacy or fast performance. Pick the provider you prefer. If you're not sure, choose one that highlights privacy and security. You can always change it later if you want to compare results. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. This setting applies only to Brave. Other browsers or apps on your device will keep using whatever DNS your system is set to. On some networks, like certain workplaces, schools, or public Wi-Fi, secure DNS may be restricted. If you notice connection issues after switching providers, try a different one from the list. And remember, secure DNS helps protect your lookups, but it doesn't replace a VPN or other privacy tools. That's it. You turned on secure DNS in Brave and selected a provider. Enjoy a more private and potentially faster browsing experience, and feel free to revisit the security page anytime to adjust your choice.